my name is Achi. Welcome back to Achi's Show to Please Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make meatloaf uh, with ground pork and bacon. It's so delicious, very easy recipe with some mashed potato side. Wow, it goes very well. Let's get started. We'll add around 500 grams of meat. Then 2 eggs, celery, onion, one big large onion, this is schezwan sauce to get a nice heat, so I'm adding 1 teaspoonful schezwan sauce. I'm so sorry, I cannot tell this sauce name. Whatever, I'm adding this one around 2 tablespoons. I try a few times telling the name, but never come right, so I rather not to. And I'm adding some garlic powder, little bit of soy sauce. I don't want to add too much soy sauce. Later, if I need, I will add more. So, and also some herbs. Parsley. Okay, now we'll mix everything nicely. I like to add some hoisin sauce. It's give a nice taste, but I will, yeah, why not? I will just go with it. Yeah. So I'm not adding any salt now until the very end. Now mix everything nicely. I think I will add a little more of heat in this. Actually, I add, that means 2 teaspoons full of Schezwan sauce. It give nice heat to this meatloaf. You can adjust the heat as however you like. I like a little bit spicy, a little bit. Now, just leave these. So we lay our bacon. Now we put our meatloaf. Shape it nicely to a square. Now we fold this. We'll keep this in the fridge for half an hour. Make it tight. 2 minutes. Here we go. This is my delicious bacon ground meatloaf. The smell is so good around here. Please give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody.